In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 Emboss error step by step, and more importantly, why it happens so you can avoid it in the future. If you've ever tried to emboss text or a logo onto a surface and Fusion 360 throws an error, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common issues beginners and even experienced users run into, so if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. So first, let's quickly understand what the emboss error actually means. In simple terms, Fusion 360 is trying to wrap or project your sketch onto a surface, and something about that operation is failing. That usually comes down to either the sketch itself or the surface you're applying it to. Let's start with the most common cause, which is an invalid sketch. Go ahead and open your sketch and carefully check your profiles. You want to make sure everything is fully closed with no gaps, overlaps, or weird intersections. Even a tiny gap in a profile can cause the emboss tool to fail. If you're using text, sometimes certain fonts can create messy geometry, so keep that in mind as well. Next, check the surface you're embossing onto. If the surface is highly curved, uneven, or complex, Fusion 360 may struggle to wrap the sketch properly. A good way to test this is to try embossing the same sketch onto a flatter surface. If it works there, then the issue is likely the original face being too complex. Another big issue is sketch size and positioning. Make sure your sketch is completely within the boundaries of the face you're embossing onto. If any part of the sketch hangs off the edge, Fusion 360 can fail the operation. Try resizing or repositioning the sketch so it fits cleanly within the surface. Now let's talk about emboss depth. If your emboss or deboss value is too large, it can break the geometry, especially on curved surfaces. A simple fix here is to start with a very small depth, apply the emboss, and then gradually increase it until you get the result you want. If you're still having issues, try simplifying your geometry. Complex splines or detailed text can sometimes cause problems. You can convert text to outlines or reduce the number of control points in splines to make things easier for Fusion 360 to process. And here's a quick pro tip. Most emboss errors happen because the sketch cannot be properly wrapped onto the surface, or because the resulting geometry becomes invalid. So whenever you see this error, think about those two things first, and that's pretty much it. You now know the main reasons behind the Fusion 360 emboss error and exactly how to fix it step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.